Hello there, this is Mike Earn, and in this video, I will be analyzing the EURUSD, GBPUSD, USDCHF, and USDJPY currency pairs, and I'll be making predictions as well. I'll be making predictions of these currency pairs in the video. So, but before we get into the business of the day, I would like to let you know that I give free Forex signals on the Mike Earn channel. Yeah, free Forex signals on the Mike Earn channel. It's a Telegram channel. The link to the Mike Earn Telegram channel is in the description below. You can copy the link to the Mike Earn Telegram channel in the description below. Go to the description below, copy the link to the Mike Earn Telegram channel, paste it in your browser and visit the site, and it will take you to the Mike Earn Telegram channel. Yes, it will take you to the Mike Earn Telegram channel, and you can join the channel and expect signals. The signals that I give are highly profitable trading signals. They definitely make sure you make a lot of money. And one thing is sure, a lot of massively profitable forex signals are still coming. They're still coming, so you can join now and expect the signals so that you can be part of those signals. Please don't miss out on that. Yes, once again, I give free forex signals on the Mike Earn channel. It's a Telegram channel. It's the Mike Earn Telegram channel. Go to the description below, copy the link to the Mike Earn Telegram channel, paste it in your browser and visit the site, and it will take you to the Mike Earn Telegram channel, and you can join the channel and expect profitable trading signals. Now, do not miss out on this because the channel is free or because the signals are free. Do not miss out on this. Even though it is free, it is highly profitable. Please and please don't miss out on this. Alright, so now the other one I want to talk to you about is the account management service that I offer. If you would like to subscribe to my account management service, you can reach out to me. Right, you can reach out to me on Telegram. The link to my direct Telegram contact is in the description below. So reach out to me on Telegram and chat me up, and I will respond. You can let me know that you are involved, that you are interested in my account management service, and we can talk about everything we need to talk about. Right, yeah. So one thing is for sure, that if I manage your forex account, you'll be really glad that I did. Now if between 5 to 15% profit is a good deal for you, you can definitely subscribe to my account management service. Yes, between 5 to 15% profits monthly. And if that sounds good to you, you can subscribe to my account management service, and definitely I can make more than 15% profit. But if between 5 to 15% profit sounds good to you, then you can go ahead and join the account management service. Yeah, so that said, yeah, and the link to my direct Telegram contact is in the description below. So copy the link to my Telegram DM, paste it in your browser, and chat me up. So that's it. So let's go into the business of the day. We're starting with the EURUSD currency pair. So this is what the EURUSD currently looks like right now on the daily time frame. So let's go to the weekly. Let's move to the weekly, and this is what the weekly says. But this is what the weekly is showing us right now. It's been quite a bullish. For several weeks, this market has been bullish. So what should we expect? Let's go to the monthly and see for ourselves. Yeah, it's been bullish, and now we had this August candle close bullish as well. So this might be a sign that the market wants to continue higher, right? It might be. So now let's go down to the daily time frame to make some predictions. Now, this will be my prediction for EURUSD. I'll start with a bullish scenario where if price comes down to a zone like this, if price comes down to a zone like the 1.10948 zone and then gives us a bullish day close above that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a buy. Right, I'll suggest you go for a buy. Yeah, I'll suggest you go for a buy in this scenario. And you can go for a 1-to-1 RR buy, or you can go for a 1-to-2 RR buy, or 1-to-3, or just hold indefinitely and see how far, the trade will go. Now, I advise that if you are going for more than a 1-to-1 RR, you should roll your stop losses, right? Roll your stop loss or stop losses so that you do not miss out on any profit so that you do not miss out too much, or if the market reverses against you. I hope you understand that. So that'll be my prediction for that scenario. So let's get this out of the way to look for another scenario. This would be a bearish scenario. So for a bearish scenario, if price comes to this zone, this 1.19019 zone, if price comes to this zone, gives a proper extended move, right, and does not slow down before it comes to this zone, but moves quickly into the zone, if price does that, then I'll look at this zone, and if it gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a sell, right? I'll suggest you go for a sell, and I'll suggest you only go for a 1-to-1 RR sell. And the reason is very simple, because this is a sell opportunity where the market currently looks quite bullish. So you definitely do not want to overstay your welcome in a market like this. So that's what I'll suggest for this one. So if you're selling, go for a 1-to-1 RR. If you are buying, from where I predicted earlier, you can go for a 1-to-1 RR or more. So that's it. Now, there's something I want to mention. Please do not take any of these scenarios if they do not meet your own personal trading confirmation. So let's continue rather with the GBPUSD currency pair. So let's go to the monthly. We can see on the monthly that it's been quite a bullish currency pair if we can judge it from this point. We've seen lows, we've seen highs, we've seen higher lows, we've seen higher highs, and we've seen higher lows again. This seems to look like it's going to be maybe another higher high, but we can't say for sure right now. So now, let's go down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, what's there to expect? Nothing much actually. Nothing much. Still the same idea. So let's go down to the daily time frame now. Now for the daily time frame, what should we expect? This will be my prediction. First, let's start with a bullish scenario. If price comes to this zone, if price comes to this 1.24344 zone, and it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a buy. And I suggest that you go for a 1-to-1 RR buy. And my reason is that if price could drop this low, that could be a sign that trend might actually want to change. It might be a sign, but I'm not, I'm just trying to be careful. So that's what I would suggest, that you just go for 1-to-1 RR in that scenario and nothing more. If price comes into this 1.24344 zone and then gives us a bullish day close above that zone, just go for a 1-to-1 RR buy. Now in another scenario, let me zoom out to see clearly. So now in another scenario, if price comes from where it currently is right now into the 1.4 to 402 zone, and then it gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a sell, and you can go for a 1-to-1 RR sell. Yeah, I would suggest that you go for only a 1-to-1 RR sell, right? Because this is currently a bullish move, and you do not want to overstay your welcome selling in a bullish market. So that will be my suggestion for that one. Please do not take any of these scenarios if they do not meet your own personal trading confirmation. So now let's go down to the USDCHF currency pair. So now for USDCHF, what should we expect? USDCHF is a quite bearish market right now. So now what should we look out for? We've seen price come into the zone, come back into this low zone as well, go back to the high, and then broke down below that zone. So now what should we look out for going forward? Now what I would expect is this. That's the monthly. Let's go down to the weekly. Nothing, still the same idea, nothing else to look. It's still the same idea on the weekly as well. So now what should we look out for? Well, this is what I would suggest. If price comes into the zone, this 0.84018 zone, and then gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a sell. You can go for a 1-to-1 RR sell, you can go for a 1-to-2 RR sell, you can go for a 1-to-3 RR sell, or you can hold indefinitely and see how far price or the market will go. So I also advise that if you're going for more than a 1-to-1 RR sell, you roll your stop losses so that in case the market reverses against you, you do not miss out on too much, or you do not lose too much, right? So you do not lose too much in case market moves against you. So now what about a bullish scenario? I will have to zoom out to the weekly time frame to look at the bullish scenario, because the next support is not visible from the daily time frame. So but don't forget that the daily time frame is still the execution time frame. Yeah, this daily time frame is the execution time frame in this analysis. So now from here, if from where price currently is right now, if price comes into this 0.77155 zone, and then it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a buy, and I'll suggest that you go for a 1-to-1 RR buy, right? And I'll suggest you only go for that, and I suggest you do not go for more than that, because you do not want to overstay your welcome buying in a bearish market. Yeah, so that's it for USDCHF currency pair. That's it for the USDCHF currency pair. Please do not overstay your welcome if please do not take any of these scenarios that I just spoke about if they do not meet your own personal trading confirmation. So now let's go on to the USDJPY currency pair. So now USDJPY currency pair, let's take a look at the monthly time frame. You can tell it's a bullish market, it's been quite bullish. So now let's go on to the weekly time frame. It has been quite bullish. It's been quite bullish still. It's been quite bullish. It's been quite bullish. You can tell that even on the weekly time frame. And even though we've seen pin bars, even though I've seen this pin bar, and there's another pin bar here, these pin bars do not seem to really push the market significantly. They have not pushed the market low significantly. But this pin bar is still in play though. This particular one, let me put a crosshair on that. So this particular pin bar is still in play. It has not been invalidated, so it might still be valid, it might not. It's possible. So let's go down to the daily to see, to make let me go down, let's make some predictions from the daily now, right? So now for the daily, for the next move, for the move I would expect that the market will make, right? Or rather for my prediction, I apologize for stumbling over my words. So now for my prediction, if price comes into this zone, this 158.823 zone, and then gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a sell, right? And I'll suggest that you only go for a 1-to-1 RR sell. And the reason is simple. It's a bullish market, and you do not want to overstay your welcome selling in a bullish market, right? So now another thing to look out, another scenario that I want to look out for. So if price comes, let me take this out first. Let me push this away first. So now if price comes to where it currently is right now, if price comes from where it currently is right now and comes down significantly quickly, right? It's not that if it comes down quickly to this zone without stalling or without pausing and then creating something like what it has done for several days here. If it doesn't do that, if it just comes directly to this zone, this 140.315 zone, I'll suggest that if price gives us a bullish day close above that zone, if price comes into that zone and then gives us a bullish day close above that zone, after giving us an extended move and move quickly, that did not stall at any point, then I would suggest that you can go for a buy, and you can go for a 1-to-1 buy, you can go for a 2-to-1 buy, you can go for a 1-to-3 buy, or you can hold indefinitely and see how far price will move. And if I would suggest that if you're going for more than a 1-to-1 RR buy, I suggest that if you're going for more than a 1-to-1 RR buy, that you roll your stop losses or stop loss so that if price reverses against you, you do not miss out on too much. I hope you understand that. And also we can see how significant this particular zone has been in the past. So you can see that here, you can see that over here, you can see that over here, and you can see that over there. So there's a possibility that zone will still hold. It's a possibility, right? Typically what some people look out for when they see that, typically what some people say is that when you've seen a zone has been touched several times, expect it to break. Well, even at that, it's still a speculative scenario. It's still very speculative to just expect it to break. So it's very speculative. I hope you understand that. So no matter what, the market is still very much speculative. So do not just make conclusions that the market will break because it has been touched. And do not just make conclusions that a zone will break because price has come in contact with it for several times, right? Do not just make, because we can see price came in here twice and then still came in here the third time, and it still held the third time, right? So what's is stopping it from holding the fourth time? So it can still hold the fourth time and it might break this time around. So that's also a possibility. I hope you get that. So now please do not forget this. Do not take any of these scenarios that I have spoken about in this analysis if they do not meet your own personal trading confirmation. It's very important that you take only trades that meet your own personal trading checklist and confirmation, so that you don't miss out, so that you do not how will I put this, so you do not take any trades that you will not be confident in. I hope you understand that. It's important that you build your own confidence in the market, especially when you want to be someone who can trade by yourself. I hope you understand that. So please and please, you should only use this as a confirmation of something that you are already looking at. And if it doesn't work for you, you can also, ignore it. But if it is something that works for you, you can, take note of it as well. And also, if you like to get actual signals from me, actual Forex trading signals that are actually profitable, that I can confidently say you should go ahead and take them, you can join the mic and channel. Yes, the link to the mic and channel is in the description below. Go ahead and copy the link to the mic and channel, paste it in your browser, visit the site and join the channel and expect trading signals. I give massively profitable trading signals and profitable trading signals on that channel. So expect signals. And one thing I can assure you of is that there's a whole lot more. There's a lot of profitable trading signals that I will be posted on that channel. Do you understand that? This is not a bluff. This is just what it is. Join the channel, join the Mican channel and expect signals, because I'll be posting only profitable and massively profitable trading signals on that channel. So don't miss out on that. I beg you, do not miss out on that. Do not ignore this because because you heard that the signal is free. The signals are free. They are free, but they are very profitable. Please and please do not ignore this and do not miss out on these signals. Yes, I beg you, please do not miss out on these signals. They will really, really help you. Now, once again, to get this free Forex signals that I give, you can go to the description below, copy the link to the MyCan channel, paste it in your browser, and visit the site, right? And it will take you to the MyCan channel on Telegram, and you can join the channel and expect the Forex signals. So that's for that one. Another thing I want to tell you is about the service that I offer, which is the account management service. If you would like for me to manage your Forex trading account, you can reach out to me. The link to my Telegram DM is in the description below. Go to the description below, copy the link to my DM on Telegram, post it in your browser and visit it, and visit the site. It will bring you to my DM on Telegram and you can chat me up, right? If you don't have the Telegram app, I think you have to download it, right, to be able to chat me up. You chat me up and let me know that you want me to manage your Forex account, and I will. Yes, I will manage your Forex account for between 5 to 15% profit monthly. I can definitely make more than 15% profit in a month, but if between 5 to 15% profit monthly sounds good to you, then go ahead and join the Forex. Go ahead and chat me up rather. Go ahead and copy the link to my Telegram chat, copy the link to my Telegram DM and chat me up, and let us have that conversation. Copy the link to the Telegram DM, copy the link to my Telegram DM in the description below, paste it in your browser, visit the site. It will bring you to my DM on Telegram and you can chat me up and we'll talk about everything that we need to talk about. We'll have a conversation and we'll get started as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video. One thing I want to let you know is that if I manage your Forex account, you'll be really glad that I did, because I'll definitely make sure you get the best service. And since I only get my commissions when I make profit for you, you can rest assured that I will definitely make a whole lot of profit. I will definitely make a whole lot of profit managing your Forex account. So reach out to me and let's talk. So thank you so much for watching this video. You can go ahead and like this video, comment, subscribe, follow, as the case may be. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.